Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in these videos, I'm going to show you how to get pumpkin token in Monopoly Go. So first, disclaimer guys, I already finished the pumpkin event. As of now, I'm on Rodeo Riders event, but the process is the same. To be able to get a token, all you need to do is basically go around your board by rolling your dice. As you can see here, I already landed and get 15 tokens in here as a reward. So just go ahead and continue doing this stuff. So as you can see here, if you finish your event or the milestone, you will get a 7,000 dice in total. I guess on pumpkin event you will get 6,000 dice, so it's lower than rodeo riders. So this game is actually when you completed the event. So for example, as for me, I need a 50 tokens to be able to get a 130 dice. So just go ahead and continue playing this Monopoly Go. Just go ahead and throw your dice until you land on a place that can give you a token. So I will be showing you when I already finish this Rodeo Riders event. So look at this guys, I'm done with the first event. As you can see here, I already get my reward, 130 dice, and it will be automatically added here. So that's how it works guys. Also in pumpkin event, it's the same. So if you complete this milestone, you'll be able to get 1,000 dice and you'll be able to unlock the pumpkin token in Monopoly Go. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.